वो मैं डिलीट कर दूंगी. ओके, सो आई विल बी सेंडिंग दिस वन नाउ. आई एम सेंडिंग a screen sharing. much slow वीडियो. तो चलो मैं एनडीसी ड्राइवर एक बार से आवाज कर all of us let's listen to this. Now this is what is very good. See Masuma पे अपने घर की all this is recorded. And now can you see Austin? Can you see Karthikeya? Can you see Mansi? And can you see Zaina? And I'm making them a call and they're not picking up. Now, what do you come to know? This shows exactly that. Please join in for the call and do not leave the call. You will yourself hear what you all are doing. Okay, so I have 25 children present right now. You all can see in my screen. Rishima, open your mic, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Child, can you see my screen right now?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So see the screen. These are the ones who have left. Okay. Magna and Mansi Zain. These are the 4-5 students who are just proving again and again that they have not done. Many of you have not done the work, but then I love honesty, and that's it. To tell me honestly, I will not mind. Now, before I begin, I would like to ask Shabd Mittal to open his mic. Rishima, you can close this now. Shabd Mittal,
Yes, ma'am.
read out your paragraph. Whatever you've written, if you've written at all. No problem if you've not written. You can just tell me, ma'am, I have not written.
Ma'am, I have written.
Okay, go ahead.
Ma'am, I am saying. Ma'am, my favorite window is in studying room where I see beautiful flowers and butterflies. It has all trees around it and a fresh air comes and I feel that I am in such a world where green trees, flowers, butterflies are there and I was enjoying the beauty of nature. It gives me a new thought of studying something very interesting. It is very beautiful to see and also for refreshing our mind. It is my favorite scene where I never get bored. Some crows are flying above in the sky, few birds, ships, and I feel that they are playing music for me. When it rains, the weather is very good to have a look at the surroundings. I'm done.
Okay. So you've written well. Only you need to work on your starting. You have to tell your window where it is properly. Okay. You cannot just begin, I love the window in my study room. Okay. In my house, out of all the places, I like this particular place. Why? Because it has a window where I sit and I see all these things. Okay. Then it could be better. Good
Okay.
effort. Okay. Rishima, open your mic, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Child, have you written the paragraph?
Yes, ma'am.
Go ahead.
Outside my window, I can see a beautiful garden full of plants and trees. There are a lot of flowers in the garden. It is a garden full of green grass and there is also a swing. I can also see some birds and butterflies in the garden. There is also a lemon tree. There are plants like java plum, palm tree, money plant, curry leaf, night queen, etc.
Sometimes peacock also comes in the garden. Sometimes a lot of birds come into the garden. They can be crow, pigeon, and many other. Squirrels also come into my garden. And
Okay. Ending. Ending is not up to the mark. Okay. Ending you can go through the Shabd itself and it is nice enough. Or you can have your own like love for your nature, love for the nature has made you sit next to the window and get inspired. Okay. Now I would like Nathan George, open your mic, baby.
yes, ma'am.
You can that you didn't want to miss the class. आपने लिखा है कुछ? Yes or no?
Yes,
No
ma'am.
problem if you say no. हाँ तो चलो फिर begin.
I live in General Ganj colony. It is a nice residential area, and so when I open my window, I can see a beautiful park. I can see a beautiful houses around it. I can see a lot of cars parked outside the houses, and in the morning I can see a lot of people walking in the park, and even I can see children playing in the park, and I can see cars, motors, bikes passing on the road, and sometimes I can see street hawkers passing.
Okay. Very good. Nicely written. End is abrupt and को सही कर लो बाकी everything is perfectly alright. Okay.
Okay,
And
ma'am.
को थोड़ा thoughtful कर. Very good. Okay. Now I would ask Ariba Irfan to open her mic.
Mom?
Yes, Betty. Have you written anything?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
I have
Go ahead.
decorated my window with curtains and with many things. I can see some green plants and trees. In front of my window, I can see a government school and a mosque from my window and some shops. I love my window.
Wow, you can go into the details about the government school that you see. You see children playing, many of them going late to school. Write a few more because it's not 100 words. And then write the azan you hear from the mosque, how serene it is, how lovely it is. The voice when you hear it inspires you for praying to God. It gives you time to think about Him. Go ahead with this. Okay, child?
Okay, ma'am.
Lovely effort, but it's just too short. Okay? Did you get the point?
Yes, yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
And even if you've done your fair copies, you can erase that or tear it off because right now you're not giving me anything. So you can rewrite it beautifully again, whatever corrections I'm telling you. Otherwise, if you don't want to
Okay,
do,
ma'am.
just remember them. Okay? I'll judge you according to what you have read just now and I'll tell and comment on this only. Okay, now I would like Benazir to open her mic.
Yes, ma'am.
Benazir, do I call your name correctly? Is this the correct pronunciation?
Yes, ma'am.
Do I call your name correctly?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. Come on.
Every morning I wake up from my sleep when a mid sunlight falls on me through my windows curtain and reminds me that another day has begun. As I do my morning exercise, I usually look out of my window to see what is happening outside. I live in a beautiful colony, that's why there is no traffic noise in the morning. I peek out from my window and spot the newspaper man delivering newspapers, the milkman on his bicycle stopping at every door and delivering milk bottles. The smoothing and the cool breeze carries my face. Birds are chirping and feeding their young ones. A beautiful brown cat, who I named Klaus, always comes to my window and I pet her. There are trees, plants, and beautiful garden. My neighbors go out for my walk, go out to the walk to the park
Forever.
colony, and the
Grows
yes, ma'am?
forever. Go out for a walk. To a walk means for a walk.
Out in the colony, the park view is visible from my window. I spend sometimes watching the people activities at my park. Some people are seeing doing yoga, some jogging, and many children playing. People bring their cute dogs for the walking in the park. The sunlight colors the whole sky, turning it into a scenery. It makes my heart and me very joy. The breeze which
Joyful.
makes yes ma'am.
Uh,
The breeze which makes the trees dance and the clouds move. Also, my hair blow and it feels so good. My big brother and my younger brother go for cycling together. I see them from my window and I tease them sometimes. While I am lost in admiring the beautiful view from my window every day, I hear my mother calling me for breakfast to get ready for school. I stand and peek outside the window each and every day. I love doing this because the view from my room window is extraordinary.
Very good. Now you peep. P-E-E-P. Okay, you peep out of your window, not peek out. Okay, the word is peep. P-E-E-P. Okay, rest is good. Very good. Okay, now I want Aparajita to read out her article for me, the paragraph for me.
Yes, ma'am.
Aparajita, read it.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Whenever I opened my window in the morning, I saw a beautiful garden and every day I and every day when I opened my window, I saw a beautiful
I
night
see a
angel.
beautiful.
With
I
I see a
see. I
beautiful
see.
I see a beautiful night angel which sings so sweet in the morning, and there is a nest at my garden at a tree. It is the sparrow's nest, and I put some grains for them whenever whenever I put some grains for them. They come and their little ones
Hmm.
and ma'am, their little ones also come with them, and sometimes they fall from the branch of the tree.
It is more about the nest than the bird you see. Tell me more about the window also, okay? Take not just take one point. There's a nest which you keep observing and you see number of activities these birds do. That's it. Move on then and then write something more. You love the nature, you love the garden view, the tree is breezy, it gives you joy sitting next to the window. You have to tell the view at the same time why you love sitting there. Okay? Take care. Okay, now I want Magna to please read out the article, what she has written.
I see beautiful birds and trees from my window, and there is a park and a hotel. Every morning when I woke up, a bright ray of sunlight falls on me through my bedroom window. Every morning when I woke up, I see a busy road which always have a traffic jam. I spend most of the time sitting near my window and I can see the clear sun from my window. Also, it is the only place where I can clear and refresh my mind. And I see vegetable vendors shouting for buying their vegetables. And there's a mall which is really luxurious. And I hear the sound of the birds and smell the smelling of the flowers which my neighbor have planted because they have a small garden. It also gives us cool and fresh air.
Okay, very good. Put it first. Now I want Sanskar Gupta. Who has opened the mic for no reason? Sanskar Gupta. After that, I want Kartikeya Kumar to be on the line, okay? Sanskar Gupta, open your mic. Sanskar Gupta, this will not be tolerated. Everything is getting recorded. Sanskar Gupta भाग लिया. I will not tolerate any such nonsense. Sanskar Gupta. Then I told him not to leave the class. I left a message also for him. Now these children are in trouble. Okay, I want Vibhav Mishra to open the mic.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you written the article? Come up.
Yes, ma'am. I see a park from my room window. I love to sit there because I really love the nature. When I sit there, I can feel and smell the fragrance of nature. There are too much of trees like mangoes. There are also two small trees. I play there with my friends. And sometimes we climb on trees in lockdown. I cannot go the park. It, I want to bring the
Child,
and again I went to the that park and play with my friends and enjoy.
okay, good. ठीक है. Work upon it. थोड़ा सा Sanskar Gupta, open your mic. I will be removed forever, and I have a proper recording and all the facts here, which will tell me why I have thrown you. And I'll be sending this to father as well. So father will also understand why I have thrown you out of the group. See, he has got the call again and gone. Can you all see all this? Vidha, please switch off your mic. Your mic is open. Okay, now I would like Darvish to read out. Karthike Kumar, don't leave the class. Again, you've left.
Every morning I am awake from my sleep by a bright rays of sunlight that falls on me through my room window. In the morning, birds are flying in the sky and jumping between the tree branches. In the afternoon, girls playing badminton happily in the playground. For, however, I could only enjoy these lovely scenes and share the happiness of the birds and the girl from behind the window. Thank you.
Okay, N needs a little working on it. N has to be here. And Karthike Kumar, if you run away from here one more time, I'll be removing you. In fact, I'll be removing Austin Paul. I'll be removing Mansi Kumari. I'll be removing Sanskar Gupta. And I will be removing Karthike. So either you work on this or you're going out. I have all the proofs also, and I'm not an easy teacher. जितनी नौटंकियां करनी है किसी और के संग करना, मेरे संग नहीं चलेगी. Okay, so that means Sanskar Kumar is not ready to give me the work. Sorry, Karthike Kumar is not ready to give me the work. Sanskar Gupta, open your mic and tell me. अगर if you have not written also, then you no problem. अच्छा हाँ, तुमसे मुझे एक और बात करनी है. ये किन लोगों को ज्वाइन करवाया था तुमने और किससे पूछकर? Sanskar Gupta, you are in big trouble. Do you know that? Okay. Now, anyone else who's interested in reading out, open your mic. Tell me your name.
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Your name, ma'am, your name,
Priyanka
Priyanka.
Chaudhary. Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
Priyanka, begin.
When I open my room's window, I see sun and its rays, many birds flying in the sky, houses and markets. When I see down from my window, I see beautiful flowers, plants, butterfly, trees and green grass. When I see left from my window, I can see a school, many students going there and a house construction. In right, I can see many goats eating grass, dogs barking and sometimes cows grazing. In evening, I see many children playing also. When I see in front of my window, I see very positive to seeing these things.
In front of my window, I see many positive yoga. In front of my window, when I look at it, it fills me with positivity. It gives me joy. You can write lovely adjectives. And okay. Anyone
Okay.
else? Anyone else? Open your mic and tell me.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Prabhati Merotra.
Ma'am, I want.
Okay, Prabhati.
Ma'am, I want.
Okay, Prabhati. Then listen to the sequence first. I'm telling the sequence. Prabhati will speak. After that, Purvi will speak. After that, begin. Prabhati.
A scene from my room
Okay.
window is very bright, colorful, and peaceful. In the morning, when I look outside my window, I can see that the sun is shining brightly, cool wind is blowing, the trees are swinging, birds are chirping, children are playing, and some are going to school. Vendors are wandering to sell fresh fruits and vegetables. There is a market in front of my house where I can see many small and big shops. People buying many items like
In
fruits and vegetables,
front of
milk,
house,
and
wait. In front of your house, के आगे कर लो. The view from my window gives me the picture that there are these things. Okay? हाँ,
okay,
begin.
where I
Continue.
can see many small and big shops, people buying many items like fruits and vegetables, milk and food items. There is a beautiful park in front of my window where I can see people doing yoga and morning walk. Also, there are many colorful flowers. My room window is my favorite because there I can see many interesting things. I also sit near my window during my free time.
Okay, that's lovely. End is very sweet and proper. Good. Purvi, begin. Purvi, you wanted to speak, no? We are running short
Yes,
of time. Please hurry up. Come on,
in the morning.
begin.
In the morning, when I opens my room window, I can see a lovely garden and a temple. In the morning, I can see the sunrise and birds are flying in the sky. I can see tall trees and flowering plants in my garden. When I stand near my window, I can hear ringing of the bell in the temple, and I can also hear Shanknath's voice in the morning. I can feel positive feeling when I stand near my window. It's my favorite window. Thank you.
Okay, lovely. Next,
Ma'am,
Ridhima, begin.
when I open my window, I can see temple, my own garden, and a small park. I have a small room where there is a small window. When I open my window, I will also see many children like me. I will also see very
I
traffic
will
jam on.
wait. I will also see is future tense. You are still able to see, na? So you write I see. Okay. From my window, I will see नहीं. I see. तुम्हें दिखता है. Okay. तुम्हें दिखेगा नहीं. ठीक है? This is what you see from your window. Begin. Carry
I
on.
also see very traffic jam on the road. Through my window there was a beautiful view. I see many shops and metro. Thank you.
Okay. The end is not correct, and you have tenses की mistake. Okay. Grammatical
ma'am.
error. Work on it. Anyone else who's wishing to?
Ma'am, I want to speak.
Okay, Zaina, begin. You are the one who said, I want to. Who said? Tell me your name.
Next, ma'am.
Yes. Me. Okay, Mehak, please.
I love the scene outside my window in the morning. Birds are flying in the sky and jumping between the trees' branches. The beam of sunlight makes my day fresh. It's see a beautiful garden with different types of plants and flowers such as rose, sunflower, etc. The they smell in the flower refresh. The smell of the flower refresh me. I
Very
also
good.
see people walking and doing exercise in the morning. I also see people going out for work and job and buying daily needs. It's a beautiful view in the morning. Thank you.
Very good. Starting needs a little working, rest is fine. And children, let me tell you, just now, when the class is just about to be over, Austin joined us. Let us listen from him. I've been calling him throughout this session, and I have a proof recorded here. And Austin, good that you joined. Please read out what you have written.
Ma'am, I want to say.
No, I want Austin to. Austin Paul should talk to me. Yes, Austin. Go on. See, this shows it proper. चलो अच्छा है वो उसको भी पता है. This is not going to happen, children. If you do not know anything, please tell me on message. It is always good to be honest than to run away from me. अब तो हर चीज recording पर है, so you can't even run away. Please tell and explain this to your friends also. Okay? So I have left out many. Maybe in the next class. I stop the recording, screen sharing now. I stop the recording now, and I'm sending this to father. Okay.